he built market across, in and out. Okay, to name any city in India, any city, he has a people, he has a team, he has a people working for him. You know, so I never worked with Dhirubhai Ambani. I never worked with Narayana Murthy and all. No, for me, Dhirubhai Ambani and Narayana Murthy, he is a person. No, if you talk about time freedom, money freedom, no, the person who builds system, I always want to be him, want to be like him. No, you name any, and also not only building markets, not only building people, he's a person who built team with heart. That's where I love him a lot. He's a person built everybody with heart. If you want to talk about commitment, if you want to talk about work, and he's a right person, guys. He's a right person who is the epitome of commitment and hard work. Okay, he's a person who sits and works in and out for his team. He lives everything for his team. I still remember he has a very small kid at his home. Okay, but when it comes to business and team, his first kid is business. First kid is business. Because why I'm telling this, he always addresses his team like, whenever somebody was not listening, whenever somebody was not doing things, I always listen to him saying, these people are my kids, and it's okay. Whatever the things which they do, because these people are my kids. I know, because I have to take care of my kids. Always, this person carried entire team dreams on his shoulder. Trust me, and this person carried all of his dreams. Personally, to me, he's a master plan. He's a best chapter in my master plan. He's a best chapter. Because I started this business only because of him. I don't know anything about business. I saw his face and I just signed up. That's it. And later, whatever I've done in this last 5 years, it's only because of him. Starting from my first check, which I made, till today, whatever the check which I made, it's because of him. Okay. And trust me, guys, I didn't do anything in this journey. He just passed me every step. That's it. Not only to me, for my entire team. No, not only for me, for entire team, he's a godfather. Yeah. Okay. I always feel, if I would have had a elder brother in my life, things can be taken care. The things can be shared with my elder brother, right? I always see this person as my elder brother. Okay. Whatever the problem at home, whatever the problem with the team, whatever personal problem which I have, I can share with this person at any time. You call him midnight, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, he'll answer. That kind of a person he is. Okay. And do you guys want to listen from the speaker today? Like this kind of a special person? Trust me, guys. And you're going to listen a best of the best session from the best of the best speaker today, right? I personally like this, like this module, on top of it, there'll be a cherry, right? Okay, this module is going to be delivered by a special person. Today, you are going to listen, okay, the speaker from his heart, not from the mouth. Okay, you guys going to listen from the heart and a smile. Okay, I bet you guys, not even a single minute. Okay, a single minute of single piece of information will get diluted today. Okay, and sit with a pen and paper, take out maximum learning, and rock, guys. Okay, can I welcome the speaker? Can I? I want you guys to respect the speaker. Okay, if you could able to stand up, please stand up. Okay, please stand up and welcome. Okay, my upline, my referrer. Okay, my elder brother, a most special person in my life who changed my life, not only my life, my entire family's life today. Okay, my guardian angel, my best chapter and master plan. Okay, welcome. Okay, Mariana. Now over to you now. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Gopi. Thank you so much. First of all, I need to thank my upline, BC Vijay, BC Adubai, to me to be here. Apart from that, the Diki Bhai and the Potter Kavita. So I'm here all because of my upline blessings. And apart from that, GS, it's really rocking. Every day, new things happen. Different, achievers are coming in. Everybody's getting benefited. I sit, I learn more. Thank you so much for this. Yeah, yes. Today it's very awesome for me in my life. Before starting this, share my life. How was it? How was it? Okay, I'm Tuticorin. It's extreme south of India. Tuticorin, my place to Kanyakumari, it's just 3 kilometers from Tuticorin. And myself, my family, myself, my sister, and my father. Yeah, middle class family. Middle class family. My mother struggled a lot to bring me up. And I was a kid, I never studied, but by seeing their hard work only, I started studying. Then, by God grace, my parent wish, I got into NIT Trichy. I was 99, 2003 batch. I finished my metallurgical engineering. Then I started my career in Goa. So Goa, I was working with CISO Goa around, a couple of years I worked. And I started my career with around 6,500 rupees salary in 2003. Life was good. Then around 2 years I was there. That is where I bound to learn Hindi. Where I never know Hindi. In 2003, I bound to learn Hindi because I had to, it was a compulsion. Then I made myself to change next company, JSW Steel Bellary. I went. Around 3 years I was there. And always, I wanted to, make some best out of best. Means what, still my life was the same. I want to change my life. I saw my friends, everybody making good money, good house they have. I asked them, hey, tell me something. I also want to be like you. They said, Mari, better you move to IT so that you can be. Then I thought, okay. So that is when, I started learning in 2008 after 5 years of experience. And I learned SAP. Then I moved myself into SAP. And I never studied in college that much. I studied for the SAP. After 5 years, I got certified in SAP. Then I joined in Mumbai Colgate Palmolive. It was a wonderful journey. I got 5 years. I was there in Mumbai. A good life. What I was wanted, everything I was having it. My salary was from JSW 30,000 to around 1.75 lakhs. It was the 5 years when I was in Mumbai. A good life. I was having everything. I was enjoying it. Then slowly, as a bachelor, you always have a good life, right? When you get married, automatically responsibility comes in. Wife, slowly, you are not able to give time. Then my son came in, I was not able to give time. My parents, they were in Tuticorin. Okay, my sister was in Goivilpeti. I had to take care of them. Where I'm not able to give time to my family, wife, my son. But how can I give time to my wife? But that is when I was thinking, hey, I need to do something here. And I got a very good salary. That should it was a very good salary. I was 13 years. I never thought about anything doing. I never thought of doing anything. 13 years. Suddenly, when this came up, what I was doing it, where I'm doing it, can I able to manage my life if 1 month salary is not coming? I was thinking just when I was super success. Then I said, yes, of course, 1 month salary is not coming. I can able to. Then 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Then there's a question marks. Even 13 years of experience, nothing going to give me if I'm not able to run or no salary, and what I am building it. That is when I was thinking I had to do anything my own, something. I'll not be able to leave my job because I'm in a position. My entire family depending on my income only. I'll not be able to leave. But apparently I should do something. I was very very much eager to know what should I do. If you have anybody in your family with a good background, they are successful people, they'll guide you. Hey, Mari, I did this, you come. You can do this. But nobody in my family. I was the first graduate from my family, and no big background, everything. If something I have to do, I had to take my own in a bigger risk, everything. But what to do? I was checking, but I bound to do something. I had to do. This is the right time. Then I was thinking that can I have a tea shops? Even 1,000 rupees, 500,000 rupees also coming, it's okay for me because apart from my salary, it should come. That is my thinking. And even the tea shop also, I need to be there, but I can't manage both, right? If I leave tea shop and go, what will happen? Gone. Then I was trying, other options, franchisee or something. I was going with that. They ask huge money in the franchisee. Few franchisee ask. But I don't know what to do. Then that is when always when you think about something you're doing it, you get a way. There is a will, there is a way. Same thing. I was thinking, there was a call from my guardian angel, VC Vijay. He called me Vijay. Vijay and myself both the college met. Okay, so he called me. The same time, he nicely prospected me. Mari, I'm doing something. Can we do it together? I said, yes, of course. I was madly searching for something. I told, yes. Vijay, what is it? Tell me. Yeah, I'll tell you. And right when time comes in, you wait. Then all plan, everything, pakka plan happened for me. Process, he followed the process properly. Then I got into that. I got into the greater industry called network marketing, where I never know. Thank God I never touched anything before that. And this is the first one. Started because always the full cup, right? 13 years of corporate experience, earning good money. It's a full cup always. If Vijay is not signing me up, then I never be in this industry. Okay, that much of full cup. I'll never open also. So signed up happened, and initially, Vijay was in Chennai. I was in Mumbai. He used to treat me, Mari, you have to finish this. You have to finish this. There are books you have to complete it. Yes, book. We'll do it. And I remember, my 2003 after my engineering knowledge, I threw my book. I don't know when it comes out. Now he's asking me to read the book. How is it possible? I said, okay, Vijay, I'll read it. But I never know what is industry all about. I told, okay. And we always do now. We want to prove something to a plane, right? Without telling him. Same thing I was trying to prove him. Without telling him, I was fixing few plans initially. Few discussion happened. Wherein my one discussion, he was taking 3 cappuccino in cafe coffee day. I was sitting, I was calculating, 150 into 3, 450 rupees. I switched off from there onwards with the three cappuccino. I did not get up. Then Vijay was keep on calling me. He used to call me every week. As a procedure, he called me. I don't know how he came. If somebody sleeping like that, nobody called, but he never left me. He used to call me, Mari, have you done your books? Have you come with your books? I said, Vijay, about to finish. No worry, I'll finish it. Then next week he called, yes, I was, but I'm about to. Every week, same story. Every week I got a call from Vijay from Chennai. Yes, Vijay. Sometimes, I say I'm busy with the project meeting. Nothing. I sit simply at home. I say project meeting. I'll attend. I'll talk to you later. Same way, slowly. I used to skip his call. There are times when I never attend his call also. One day my wife, the call came in. My wife suddenly gave the phone. Hey, Anna calling. Why are you not picking? She gave it. Suddenly, then I had to talk. Vijay, I was busy with Vijay. That is why I was not able to take a call. Vijay, okay, Mari, how are you? How's life? Family, son, wife, Appa, Amma, everything good? I told yes, everybody good. Then he never asked about the business. I got shocked. I thought he'd be asking me about the business. He didn't even ask me. Then next week when he called, I was picking because he never asked me about business. I don't want to do this also. So okay, nicely talking. Then there are a time I had to go to Chennai because the reason why I was in Mumbai, my wife has to learn Hindi. That is when we were there. But now my son also there. They were not able to manage language problem, everything. Then I had to move to Chennai. So I did not even tell Vijay that I got a job in Infosys. I came to Chennai. I did not even tell Vijay that I came to Chennai. The same regular call he'll do it now. Same call came in. He asked me, Mari, where are you? And I told him, Vijay, yes, Vijay is happening, all was happening. And normally in the call, It never, it ends at 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, the call elapsed. So he calls me for 10 minutes, that's okay. But now what happened? Huh? Is abnormally, the call goes 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Like which it is going, it is exceeding. Then that time, in 2014, there was, roaming charge will be there. I was carrying the Mumbai number in Chennai. Roaming will be there. Whether the incoming call also, you have to pay for it. So half an hour. Oh my God. Employee background, why? What to do? Hey, I need to pay. So I told Vijay, I'll give you one more number. What? He was asking, what happened? I told him, I'm in Chennai. You are in Chennai. You bloody, you did not tell me. Okay, give me the number. And I gave you the number. Then he called me. That is when, I get caught into this. He was asking, Mari, where are you? And I told, I'm in Medavakkam. Okay, I'm also in Medavakkam. Okay. Medavakkam, where I said, I'm in Kangaiman Street. He's saying, I'm here. Finally, my house and his house, only 1 kilometer difference. See, where I wanted to avoid him, so distant, but where I end, near to him only. It's all because of master plan. If I had to do it, but I have to do it. Getting it? That is how, I came here, but still in my mindset, it was not aligned with this industry or whatever. But somehow by force, I had to be. He never left. Even whatever I say now, okay, come. He'll take me wherever he goes. I learned maximum of Chennai because of him only. And meanwhile, during that time only, there was one more guardian angel came. Is VC Aditya Palla. Adibhai. So he came for 5 years back. For 1 month he was in Chennai. That is when there is a click moment came for me. Okay, there's something is there. There is a bigger profile like me. Yeah, he's doing something. Something is there. At least can do it. One step. It came in. Then I was checking why I was not able to do it. Why I am able to do it. I was checking all the point of view. So when I was checking, I was taking reference of everything. I used to ask, this is, what is it, where is it, all those things. Probably I would share my presentations. Okay, so give me a few. I hope everybody can see my presentation. Okay, so initially when I came, I never know about the industry because whatever the old package was there about the industry. What happened to the industries? Normally when we start, what we do, what people will think about it. What I was thinking about practically, because there are a lot of people says, hey, network marketing is a housewife business here. What are you doing with this? Housewife where they have no work now, they'll do this. What you do? Then some other kind of people, what they say, it is something like it's a scheme or what? When you put money, get rich scheme. Different people have a different opinion. Some kind of people talk like this. There's some kind of people say like it's the losers, where they never get anything, they'll get into this network marketing. And they'll talk about some kind of people. And somebody what they say is a spare time business. Spare time in what? Spare time in what? When they find time, they'll do it. Spare time business. Okay. Some people what they say? Some people know it's who desperately want to make money, they'll do it. What is that? Some people say it is like Ponzi scheme, whatever they feel in their mind, they'll go with that. Some people say it's a scam. See, different people have a different opinion. But if we know, have they tried out anything? We don't know. We don't know. But who are they? All those people are telling anything, different name they call it as. So who are they? When we talk about who are they, it's like it's a mother, my mother, she cooks very nicely, very nice. If you ask anything on the cooking, she'll tell properly. But how does she know what is all about my industry? She can tell me. Whatever she's telling me is telling for me only. Getting out, she's telling for me because my son has to be safe. Only that intention she's saying, but she never know what is it. The MBA student, he says, no, he's one of the person who's telling. Who's that MBA person? He studied MBA. He did not even get a job, but he took the industry. That industry I know. You know, how do you know industry? He said, nah, I don't mind it. What you did? No, no, friend. What friend? He never know what is, but he talks about it. And best friend, you know, they'll say. And neighborhood, who is he? Who is he? He's talking about others only, the wonderful person. So he'll give suggestion. And the uncle is a native. So he, what is ABCD, but an engineer is a civil engineer building, right? Is he know this? He talks about years of experience in his own industry, own civil engineer experience in that. Doctor, but is she? See, all those anything, whatever, there is some getting it. But expertise. Let us see what is. So, you know, what expect, you know, Bill Gates, he is a pros in that kind of person. And then there is an interview. If you want to start once again, what will you start? So what is saying? I start networking. I start meeting. You know, he was the way. And Trump network is the biggest president. He was a but when we talk about the same language, the value of it. You know, all people, when you ask about this industry, they know very well of it. Getting it? So now, so then how it is coming? The evolution of it, you know, when you talk about this, the industry evolution, how it coming? The distribution evolution. When the day starts, you know, there was a day, you know, it is, you know, 18 years back. How it is in agriculture, what is a barter system? Barters in the sense, you know, some people, if I have vegetables and you have animals, if I have goat, you have vegetable, I have enough goat now, so I'll give my goat and I'll get the vegetable from you. These are, you know, barter system. We exchange the products between us. There is no money involved in this. Next started with that, you know, between the 1800 to the 1970, you know, there is an industrial age. That is when, you know, small shops started coming in, small mom and pop shops. And there is a departmental store wherein the small product will be there, small shops. And by derivative of it, you know, they saw, you know, we can make it in a bigger way. There is a supermarket, hypermarket, wherein anything like a ocean shop, like all the material will be there. Next the starting of the franchising came. Then the end of the 1970, the franchising model came in. And next, when you talk about the information age, the technology developed in 1970 onwards, it's like, you know, telemarketing. Like, what is telemarketing? The everyday you get a call. Or this is this is your you know, so there's a credit card in bank, you know, all there's a telemarketing sense. What over the internet, it is e-com, right? TV advertisements, sales. The final is the network. You know, it is coming on the networks. You know, the network it's full-fledgedly. Now, when industry started the something happens, what is technology development. If I do not, I will be absolute. I have now. So only this understand. So I also efficient of the world. You will and the years supposed to be hard work. No. So and what I can do, I have what I know. I was getting. I was starting. Okay, so employee. Everybody see this, right? When I was I was trying to something other than that. Small business, trying for the coffee shops, for the restaurant, you know, doing it. But you know, I'm not able to do it because I have no time. No time to get into this coffee shop or small where I have to be full time. But doing my job, I can't do that. That has gone. The employment and the investor area. If I have, why should I do the business? If I have money, why should I do business? Settle my life, right? What? I'm not an investor. So then what is other? There is options. Big business, I never saw big business, big company, but business owner. After this only big business owner people, because the system that is see that I also want to build it. Should I go and start when I know the system? Then started thinking what are the possible way to do further, what are the possible way to think about the big business, what are the big business, what I need. First of all, business sense, how to have the, you know, good ideas. Like, you know, Facebook kind of idea, you know, good concept and idea you should have it. So it can be sale for, you know, sale for thousands of those. With that idea, do I have that kind of idea? No. And do you have a crores of money? No, I do not have the crores of money. Or you know, any family backup? Even if I fall down, whether is there somebody to pick you up? Nobody is there. If I fall down, then that's all. A landlord means what people say is right. That total area mine only. Entire village is mine. People say is not landlord. Those kind of money do you have, or else maybe dowry in the sense you get married with a industrial owner's daughter. There is a possibility. Don't try with that. I'm giving you. So, do you have this kind of option? I say no, 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 no. Then what else? Then can't I not able to be? Can I not able to be build a system for my life? Then what are other options for me? Then I was checking what are other options. It is like in order to build your business, big business, there is a franchisee you need. There are two options. Either you have to go franchisee or franchisee. How franchising mean? What are the franchisees there? It's like these are franchisee. These are ready-made system available. Franchisee or what is ready-made system available. When I was in Mumbai, before I was checking with them. I went to KFC. I asked them. So I wanted the franchisee. Can you help me? He said, "Of course, sir. You can help you." Then I was happy because somebody saying, "Of course, I'll help you." Then he asked, if you want to make this area, if you want to, the main city it was, give me just 1 crore for the franchise. I thought 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore is there. Why should I come? Oh man, I can put it in bank here. 1 lakh interest I'll get every month. Why should I come? Still, I was thinking, but there is a condition. It was likely it was good. What they're saying now. Even if I'm going with that franchisee, now understand. I gave 1 crore. Now my entire setup, it is of their own. We have to give the money for they will come, they will do the all setup. Everything will be unique. If you check the caves in one area and other area, ditto it will be there. Even the lining, red lining, the grandfather is there now. Caves with the glass and the hairstyle, everything in the red color and white color, everything is there. Even can it be the color be yellow and white? Never possible. It's agreement. I cannot even change. Maybe my astrologer told the red is not okay for me. Red is not okay means you leave and go. We can't change the colors. This is company color. It's a franchisee color. They put even where is the counter, they'll be deciding it, and that they can distribute the eatables, and they'll be deciding it. Even menu card, they are the one they decide the menu cards. The price, they'll be the one they decide. When you say this area, can I increase or decrease my burger rate? All right, ginger burger rate. They say no, this is a standard rate you have to keep. Everything it will be flat only. And if somebody says, if I have poultry is there, my chicken, everything is there, can I add my chicken here? They said no. Chicken also it is from their own factory. They will not allow you to bring it. Right? And you may feel that there is a small space inside is there. If you want, if we feel like there is a Pepe, there is a gene. CK gene I have. Can I have that showroom inside my shop? Small area is there now. If you ask Billy, hello, he'll kill you. What? Inside the gate there is a CK showroom. What? Nothing. He'll not allow. Because everything is designed. And what is there in the agreement? The agreement it says that if it is going good, you're earning money, okay. It's a 30-70. 30 is my 70 you take it. And if it is not running, everything is yours only. Loss is complete 100% yours. If you profit, give me 30%. There it goes. That too, he compulsorily says 7 years, never expect any money from here. Agreeing that I need to sign it. I can't raise any voices. It's like I put my money, I have to be, laying there only, like a slavery. When I understood, oh my God, getting one franchisee, how difficult it is. And if it comes also 7 years, I need to wait after that only. I can see my money. From there onwards, what is it? Either first I'll not be able to get it because crores of rupees is asking. Apart from that, all those things happening. Then what is the other way for me? How should you know the other way for me? The other way can be, It's like, network marketing is there, but network marketing, what is the problem? The structure is the problem. The structure is there. That structure is the problem. What if you don't like the structure? Change it now. What is the problem with it? What is the problem with it? No, so understand. If you see the structure, how it looks like, when I see that, it looks like a stable one. It is entirely stable one. I still remember when 5 years back, there was my wife's dream. She needs the Honda Dio yellow color scooter, and I went to the Honda showroom. I went to the Honda showroom. I was, I wanted a yellow